up? I am Will Smith.
Well, I'm not Will Smith. This is Will Smith. This right here. Boom. You see Will Smith right there.
Let's change this background to kind of red.
Will Smith be dancing like.
I do my own sound effects.
Do you want to know how I did that? Look at that. It's a folder too. There be content in this Will Smith. Looks good, huh? And when you open the Batman, you got yourself a Batcave. Whoa, it is dark in there. Hey, who turned out the lights? Finally. But it looks good, right? All right, let's turn the lights out again. Boom. How did I make the folder this way? Let's learn. You go to the web browser. You type in Will Smith. You better not get this wrong. You piss me off before you piss Will Smith off. Will Smith, PNG, ping. Somebody say Will Smith. Here he is. Maybe you want this one next. This looks good. You want that to be the doc. You copy this photo. You go to your applications and you search under Spotlight or under your Launchpad. Preview. There it is, guys. This program here. And you hit new. You click on this and then that. Select the white area with this tool and hit delete key to get rid of it. On your keyboard, use Smart Cookie. I just know keyboard shortcuts, so I just
Hold command, press A, and then
I go to edit. I go to copy that. It's copied. And now I create myself a folder. Once the folder is created, make sure I'm highlighted on it. It's clicked. You go to File, click on Get Info. And then write this baby, click it down. Make sure it's clicked and it looks like this. Not like that, but like that. And then you go to Edit. Click Paste. Boom. You got yourself a second Will Smith.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
You want it to look like this. Man, open your eyes. Literally, I'm not even kidding. You missed them. Here it is. Here is that one. You just click on it. The link in this case.
cookie.
And then you could download the PNG right here. Allow it. It goes in your download folder. You look at it. Looks beautiful.
Thank you,
You look at it. Looks beautiful.
Wide.
And then you highlight that. You go to edit. You go to select all. Select check. Zoom out. And then you hit copy. Make one more folder.
Control click.
And get info. Click it. Paste it. And boom. Now you have yourselves touching Will Smith's. That's kind of awkward. Well, what about this? All you do is you click it. Once it's highlighted, and then you hit enter on your keyboard. Return. So then you just put space, 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 space many times as you like. That's good enough. Boom. That disappears. See that? That was big. That's Batman right there. Oh, man. Okay, we're done. We got it now. And that's how you transform your doc. On that note, I hope you liked it. Now you're going to subscribe it, right? This was good. This was funny. Love ya. For step-by-step instructions, please check the description box below.